I'm Jeff Mack, a commercial real estate broker with Newmark Greb Knight Frank, and I'm pleased to welcome Dennis Murray. Dennis is the president of Murray Devine, headquartered here in Philadelphia, a financial valuation advisory firm.
Our client base is something that dates back to when we first started our business. We had a lot of relationships with the larger private equity funds, and our belief always was with private equity, they had a much more of a entrepreneurial kind of spirit, where if they have faith in you, they feel like you're professional and you're going to do quality work, they'll give you an opportunity, and with that opportunity, you develop relationships. So that enabled us to do the work for the larger funds back in the day, the Blackstones, the Bain Capital, Kelso, and they still are some of our biggest accounts today. Our projects today really range from the marking illiquid securities for a lot of the big both public and private debt funds. That keeps us very busy. To working with on a solvency opinion for a pharmaceutical company. It was several $100 million size project. The state of the deal market today is it's very difficult to get a transaction completed. The values are at all-time highs, so multiples of businesses. It's very difficult based on the price that has to be paid, the equity that has to be invested, and the financing to really complete a transaction and get a good return on their investment. Our offices in Philadelphia and New York. Philadelphia is our headquarters, where all our analysts and technical people are based, with some salespeople, and then New York really is a sales office that we utilize for business development and meetings. We're adjusting valuations based on the concerns about the pharmaceutical industry going forward. As we heard just recently about Obamacare increasing by 25%, I think it's going to have a downward effect on pharmaceutical and related businesses' valuations. Murray Devine in 5 years will be still focused on our core businesses. We believe, with all the regulatory issues going on and continuing, that demand for valuations is going to continue to grow. We see it today with transparency, regulatory issues, that there's more and more requirements for valuation.